Hi friends, for all the mathematics solutions, derivations, formulas, please subscribe and click the bell icon here. Thank you.
Today we'll start learning about area of trapezium. We will know this formula, how to find area of trapezium. Okay. So before that we have to know what is the meaning of trapezium. Trapezium is nothing but a quadrilateral in which one pair of opposite sides are parallel. That means, see here. This is one trapezium in which this is one quadrilateral in which one pair of opposite sides are parallel. These two sides are parallel. And these two sides are not parallel. So how to define trapezium means any quadrilateral in which one pair of opposite sides are parallel. Then we can say that quadrilateral as trapezium. So now we know the definition of trapezium. We will see how to find area for this. Now let us represent this trapezium as A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D is a trapezium in which AD and BC are parallel sides. AB and CD are not parallel sides. Let us mark AD as A units length, BC as B units, AD length is A units, BC length is B units. Now let us take the height of the trapezium as H units. So height I took H units, AD I took A units, BC I took B units. Now see the formula for finding area of this trapezium. Area of trapezium A, B, C, D is equals to half into height H into sum of these parallel sides, that is A, this is A units and this is B units. So sum means what? A plus B square units. So this is the formula for finding area of trapezium. For example, let us take some example problems. Okay. So let us take one trapezium like this. And these two are parallel sides and these two are not parallel sides. Suppose if these two are also equal, that means non-parallel sides are equal, then we can say that it is isosceles trapezium. So isosceles trapezium. When we can say isosceles trapezium, if non-parallel sides are equal. Suppose if any trapezium has non-parallel sides are equal, then we can say that it is isosceles trapezium. Okay. So we took some example. Let us take this as 8 units. This is as some 12 units. Height as some 4 units. Okay. Now how to find the area of this trapezium? Area equals to half into height. Height is given how much here? 4. So substitute here 4 into sum of A plus B we have to write. That means sum of parallel sides 8 plus 12. half into 4 into 8 plus 12 20. Cancel this, 2 tens. 4 into 10, 40. So 40 square units. Like this you can find area of trapezium. Just we have to do like this, half into height into sum of parallel sides. Remember like this, what is the area of trapezium means? Half into height into sum of parallel sides. That is the formula for area of trapezium. Thank you.